Hi, Steve. My name's Jeff DeBoer. I'm in charge of all the parking volunteers for the 2024 Rolling Sculpture Car Show in downtown Ann Arbor. As you may be able to see, we have a beautiful day. We have an awful lot of amazing vehicles showing up. I think it's going to be a great show again this year. We have a lot of pedestrians and spectators already filtering in, and I think it's going to prove to be another amazing show.
Thank you, sir. Here we see Surfer Joe. He really does a great job every year.
Well, thank you. Thank you. So, hi, this is Surfer Joe, and this is the 13th year that I'm the DJ here at the Rolling Sculpture Car Show. And my shtick is that I play only songs about cars or trucks. I might throw in a few motorcycles in every now and then, but or even other vehicles of various sorts. But the focus is cars, and so I have a lot of music collected, and I get a big kick out of playing it for people all night long. So looking forward to another great show.
And Joe does a wonderful job.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
My pappy said, son, you're gonna drive me to drinking if you don't stop driving that hot rod Lincoln. Have you heard the story of the hot rod race where the Fords and Lincolns were setting the pace? That story is true, I'm here to say I was driving that Model A. It's got a Lincoln motor and it's really souped up. That Model A body makes it look like a pup. It's got 8 cylinders and uses them all. It's got overdrive, just won't stall. With a 4-barrel carb and a dual exhaust with 4 living gears, you can really get lost. Got safety tubes, but I ain't scared. The brakes are good, tires fair. Pulled out of San Pedro late one night. The moon and the stars was shining bright. We was driving up Grapevine Hill, passing cars like they was standing still. All of a sudden, in a wink of an eye, a Cadillac sedan passed us by and said, boys, that's a mark for me. By then, the taillight was all you could see. Now the fellas ribbed me for being behind, so I thought I'd make the Lincoln unwind. Took my foot off the gas and man alive, I shoved it on down into overdrive. Wound it up to 110, my speedometer said that I hit top end. My foot was glued like lead to the floor, that's all there is and there ain't no more. Now the boys all thought I lost my sense, and telephone poles looked like a picket fence. They said slow down, I see spots, the lines on the road just look like dots. Took a corner, sideswiped the truck, crossed my fingers just for luck. My fenders was clicking the guardrail post, the guy beside me was white as a ghost. Smoke was coming from out of the back when I started to gain on that Cadillac. Knew I could catch him, I thought I could pass. Don't you know by then we'd be low on gas. We had flames coming from out of the side. You could feel the tension, man, what a ride. I said, look out boys, I got a license to fly, and that caddy pulled over and let us by. Now all of a sudden she started knocking down in the dip. She started to rock, and I looked in the mirror, red light was blinking. The cops was after my hot rod Lincoln. They arrested me and they put me in jail, and they called my pappy to throw my bail. And he said, son, you're gonna drive me to drinking if you don't stop driving that hot rod Lincoln.
Happy to be here. It's really hot, but I'm happy to...
I know, it is really hot.
Yeah, right?
But they're also adorable.
No, actually. It's so sick. Oh.
Level 1 compression, listen to him talk, my 426 superstar. Tack on the dash and the cheater slicks. Superstar, superstar. She's high in burden, doesn't miss the lick. Superstar, superstar. Other sticks and automatics too. It'll take them all when you run it through. My 426 superstar.
Real Bunny, the queen of the asphalt aisle. Well, I was cruising down the highway in my fastback Ford when a Pontiac passed me, man, it must have been Flo. Sucking up exhaust from the dread Bonneville, and I knew in a minute it was Bonnie at the wheel. Whoa, Bonnie, her lip kept roaring away. Bonneville, Bonnie, I'm gonna catch you someday. Well, now this here Fairlane is the fastest thing around. At least it was until the day that Bonnie hit town. It didn't take her long to make me look like a clown, because this female wheeler dealer's been a shutting me down. Whoa, Bonnie, who what a cute little smile. But she's done gone and turned a champ into the fool of the asphalt aisle. Oh, well, I started dating Bonnie 7 nights, we wine and dine. Then before that week was over, I had married on my mind. But I knew I'd never see her in that lacy wedding gown, not unless this Fairlane 5 could shut the Pontiac down. Whoa, Bonnie, move over out of my way, 'cause I'm gonna catch you, honey, and it's gonna be our wedding day.
Hey man, what was that? It was a Thunderbird, baby, cruising down my street. She driving so crazy, but she looked so sweet. It was a Thunderbird, baby, a Thunderbird, baby, yes, a Thunderbird, baby, a real crazy baby. Ooh wow wow, ooh wow wow, ooh wow wow, ooh wow wow, won't be dooby won't be dooby won't be dooby won't. There she goes again. Oh well, a Thunderbird, baby, cruising all the time. What makes her drive so crazy is a mix of mind. There was a Thunderbird, baby, a Thunderbird, baby, yes, a Thunderbird, baby, a real crazy baby. Ooh wow wow, ooh wow wow, ooh wow wow, ooh wow wow, won't be dooby won't be dooby won't be dooby won't.
Little GTO, you really looking fine. 3 deuces and a 4-speed and a 389. Listen to her tacking up now. Listen to her whine. Come on and turn it on, wind it up blow it out, GTO. Yeah, yeah, little GTO. Yeah, yeah, little GTO. Yeah, yeah, little GTO. Yeah, yeah, little GTO. Little GTO. You ought to see her on a road course or a quarter mile. This little modified Ponton has got plenty of style. She beats the gassers and the rail jobs, really drives them wild. Come on and turn it on, wind it up, blow it out, GTO. Yeah, yeah, little GTO. Yeah, yeah, little GTO.
Don't you know you're gonna shut 'em down? I took my Cobra down to the track, hitched to the back of my Cadillac. Everyone was there just a-waiting for me. There were plenty of Stingrays and XKs. Spring, little Cobra, getting ready to strike. Spring, little Cobra, with all your might. Spring, little Cobra, getting ready to strike. Spring, little Cobra, with all your might. Hey, little Cobra, don't you know you're gonna shut 'em down? When the flag went down, you could hear rubber burn. The Stingray had me going into the turn. I hung a big shift and I got into high. And when I flew by the Stingray, I waved bye-bye. Spring, little Cobra, getting ready to strike. Spring, little Cobra, with all your might. Spring, little Cobra, getting ready to strike. Spring, little Cobra, with all your might. Hey, little Cobra, don't you know you're gonna shut 'em down? Around the far turn in a straightaway, I was blowing off everything that got in my way. The Stingrays and Jags were so far behind, I took my Cobra out of gear and let it coast to the line. Spring, little Cobra, getting ready to strike. Spring, little Cobra, with all your might. Spring, little Cobra, getting ready to strike. Spring, little Cobra, with all your might. Hey, little Cobra, don't you know you're gonna shut 'em down? Shut 'em down. Shut 'em down. Shut 'em down. Shut 'em down.
It was a rusty old stocker sitting in the lot at the pickup barn. Well, I tried to leave, but I had to go back 'cause it stole my heart. Well, all the guys laughed, but I didn't care. Deep inside I knew that one day soon I'd drive a fire-breathing 32. With the chrome-plated Hemi, silver injectors, and a 4 on the floor. I got 400 horses in my little boat. How could you ask for more? The black primer paint job and the lowered rails make it look real mean. I got tuck and roll seats and so you know it doors on my custom machine. Well, I polished this baby so many times that it looks like new. There ain't nothing more cherry than my fire-breathing 32. I got some money in my honey and a tank full of gas for going to the trash. I hope my trunk is big enough to carry all the trophies. I'm not trying to brag. I'm gonna blow the doors off every rotten time before I'm through. 'Cause I'm the proud owner of a fire-breathing 32.
Would you like to go riding in my Buick 59?
Buick 59, Buick 59.
Would you like to go riding in my Buick 59?
Buick 59, Buick 59.
Well, I'm telling you people that the riding's mighty fine.
Buick 59, Buick 59.
Got an 8-cylinder motor and a jet propelled overdrive.
Buick 59, Buick 59.
Got an 8-cylinder motor and a jet propelled overdrive.
Buick 59, Buick 59.
Got 2 carburetors and a supercharger on the side.
Buick 59, Buick 59. Crazy pipes, crazy seats, man. Crazy.
I gotta turn the corner, man. Gotta turn the corner.
Crazy pipes, man.
Don't be mad at me, boys, if your buggy don't ride like mine.
Buick 59, Buick 59.
Don't be mad at me, boys, if your buggy don't ride like mine.
Buick 59, Buick 59.
You ought to buy yourself a Buick 59.
Buick 59, Buick 59. Ooh,
59.
let's groove. Let's groove, let's groove, let's groove, let's groove, let's groove. Let's groove, let's groove, let's groove, let's groove, let's groove, let's groove.
Oh.
Nice car.
My name's Dave. Welcome to the Ann Arbor Car Show, Rolling Sculpture. I've brought my replica of a 1966 427 Shelby Cobra. I saw a magazine article in 1981 and fell in love with Cobras, and finally I built one myself. So,
Oh, that's beautiful, beautiful.
thank you very much.
94 MG RV8. This one came from Japan, and it's a low volume vehicle. They only made about 1,800 of them. And this particular one came from Japan. They sold about 1,500 in Japan and only about 300 in the UK.
Beautiful, okay.
Yeah. Good combination of both power and styling.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
How long have you had it?
I got it last September. I had it shipped over here, actually. There's only about 12 of them in this country right now.
Nice.
But essentially what they did, they took the old body and frame and they updated the front and rear of it, and they dropped a V8 motor in it.
I see.
Yeah.
Cool.
So,
Nice.
yeah, I wanted something different.
Well, you got something different.
That's true. Kind of replacement for my Falcon I used to have. Remember that?
Oh, yeah,
That
yeah.
Australian car that I used to have. So,
Yeah. That's cool.
yeah. You know, a fun little car to drive. It's like a combination of both a sports car and a muscle car.